Hey everyone, it's Ryan at Premier Motorsports. We just wrapped up our 25th year at the Grand Rapids Boat Show. In fact, I got a full crew heading this way with the product that was there. But I wanted to take the time to thank each and every one of you that showed up and possibly even purchased a boat from us. Thanks and welcome to our team. For those of you that couldn't make it, or possibly you were there, just need a little more time to make your buying decision, I understand. We have an annual open house that runs from February 22nd to March 2nd. It's the same great deals that was at the boat show, whether it be the factory rebates, the interest rates, our sale price, same thing, no changes. Love to see your family out. Meet our family, check out our facility. I've got 3 showrooms. One has the Moombas and Nautique ski boats in it with our pro shop. The second one is our pontoon showroom, which you're gonna see brands like Premier Pontoons, Sylvan Pontoons, Berkshire Pontoons, and a new one for us for 2019 is Sunchaser Pontoons. Our third showroom that we're just opening as we speak will warehouse all of our smoker craft fishing boats, another new brand for us. So, come visit with us. Taco bar is open on the weekends. We have refreshments. We would love to see you there. Thanks and see you soon.